Hey guys, this is MDP Tech and today we're unboxing Pokemon Scarlet game and Nintendo Switch OLED Pokemon Scarlet and Violet Edition console. So, here we go. Okay, so what about this game? 1 player, 3 mounts, handheld, tabletop, or connected to TV. Ooh, nice. I like the style of the Scarlet. Big dragon. Big Pokemon. Let's take a look what's inside. Okay, receive a special Pikachu as an early purchase bonus. Nice. And what else? Visit Pokemon Co. UK. Okay, good, good. And so this is the game card. Cool. Nice. Nice, nice. This is a cool cool picture with unknown language, or maybe someone could read this language, I don't know. It's also cool. Okay, let's put that to the side and let's open the real box, the real deal box of today. Okay, let's start by plugging it and charging it. Support Nintendo England and European. Oh, to charge, I guess, to charge these sticks. Ooh, man, take a look at that. Ooh, it's so nice. It's so nice. SR, SL. SL, SR. Probably just to play it like this. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. I guess here it is some sort of sensor. RNZR. Plus YXAB. Okay, let's put it to the side. Okay, and this is, I guess, that is one Pokemon, and this is the other. I guess it's gonna be Scarlet, and that's gonna be the other. The other name is Violet. Oh yeah, Scarlet and Violet, the color. Yeah, dumb, but yeah, it is what it is. And here it is, the console itself. Whoa, take a look at this. Take a look at this, it's so cool. Nice. I like it. Ooh, now this screen is much better. I used to have a Nintendo Switch Lite, but this is much bigger. This is pretty much the size of Google Nexus 7, I guess, because it was 7 inches. So it's as big as a Google Nexus tablet. Wow, and take a look at this. Ooh, that's nice. So you can just put it as you want it. Okay, that's great. What else do we have here? We have Nintendo Switch. Okay, pretty much information about how to use, how to connect to TV, how to use the OLED or Switch model, stand, where the card goes, where the SSD card goes, and so on. So pretty much just a little information. But as you all know, we pretty much know that already. Put it to the side. Yes, we have European charger, which is good because we are in Europe. It is how many? It's 1.5 amperes and 5 volts, or 2.6 and 15 volts. So I guess it can charge 7.5. I guess it can charge something on 7.5 watts, and Nintendo Switch for 39 watts. Okay. Okay. Let's take that out of the pocket. Put it to the side. Yes. Okay. Nintendo. Even the chargers. It's kind of beautiful. Yeah. Of course, we have the HDMI cable. I guess it's HDMI 2.0 or even 1.4. But nonetheless, we're still gonna use it on my LG C2 OLED. Or maybe taking out it on travels to some hotel or something. We have two sport, I don't know what it is, this sport something. Also two interesting. I never saw these. No, never. I don't know what is this, but okay. Okay, I guess that's on the wallet side. That's on the Scarlet side. Interesting. I thought I'm not gonna have anything new. Now this is the joystick. This is the joystick mode. When you're gonna put pretty much that there and that side there, and that's how you formulate the joystick, which is kind of, yeah, which is more ergonomic than the joypads itself. Okay, okay, interesting. Can I charge them now? No, with one cable? No, I guess not. And now, oh yeah, by pressing that button, this button, press and take them out. Cool new things, I like it. And I guess this is gonna be the base. Yeah, this is gonna be the base. This is gonna be the base, the harbor base, whatever. However you, but look at the styling. Look at the styling. Now this is some serious stuff. 2 USB. I don't know why you could. Oh yeah, to charge your pads. I guess how to take it here, or just enforce them. This is the HDMI out, AC adapter, and LAN. Okay, so here is the LAN, but I think I'm gonna use Wi-Fi. Cool. This is really, really cool. It really looks cool. Just take a look at that. Beautiful. Real beautiful. So that's it. That was the unboxing of Pokemon Scarlet game and Pokemon Scarlet and Violet console. I really recommend to buy it. If you have a chance, I think it's just better looking than simple ordinary white or neon. Of course. Let's put them on the side and let's see the size of it. Now this is some proper game card, or somewhere should be SD card. Yeah. Well, here's the card. Nice. Cool. Cool. Thank you for watching. That was MDP Tech. And if you at least liked it or like my videos, just press like. Comment if you have any questions. I'm gladly answer them. And subscribe to the channel if you watched this video up to this part. And bye.